In this video, I'll break down the top 5 home theater projectors you can get right now, and I'll also share which one I personally think is the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with my 5th pick, and by the end, you'll see which home theater projector, in my opinion, deserves the #1 spot. If you want to check current prices or availability, I've added direct links to each of these projectors down in the description. At number 5, the LG CineBeam PF510Q. This is the kind of projector you grab if you're just starting out and want something compact, affordable, and versatile. It doesn't try to compete with the big, expensive models, but it nails the basics for casual use. The first thing you notice is how portable it is. You can literally hold it in one hand, which makes it easy to move from your living room to the bedroom or even take it to a friend's place for a game night. It puts out a full HD picture that's sharp and colorful thanks to its 4-channel LED light source, and with a rated lifespan of $30,000, you don't have to worry about replacing bulbs anytime soon. Brightness is 450 ANSI lumens, which means it looks best in a dark room, perfect for movie marathons with the lights off. The screen size flexibility is nice too, from 30 inches up to 120 inches depending on your setup. What makes it extra convenient is the built-in WebOS platform, so you don't even need a streaming stick. Apps like YouTube, Disney+, and Apple TV are already there. Add in AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, and automatic keystone correction, and it's one of the easiest projectors to set up and enjoy without fuss. At number 4, the Optoma HD146X. This one is built for people who want a brighter, punchier image without breaking the bank. With 3600 lumens, the HD146X has no problem cutting through a bit of ambient light, so you don't need your room pitch black just to get a good picture. It delivers full HD resolution with excellent sharpness, and the contrast ratio makes dark scenes in movies pop with real depth. What really sets this projector apart is the gaming performance. The enhanced gaming mode drops the input lag down to just 16 milliseconds, which is faster than many TVs, so you can comfortably play competitive games on a giant screen. There's also a game display mode that brightens shadowy areas, which is great when you're playing shooters or exploring darker game worlds. Setup is straightforward. Manual zoom and vertical keystone correction let you get a square image pretty quickly. One downside is the built-in speaker. It's not going to blow you away, but with even a basic soundbar or speaker system, you get that big theater feel. For the price, it's one of the most balanced projectors you can pick up for both movies and gaming. At number 3, the Samsung Premier. Now, we're moving into premium territory. The Samsung Premier is an ultra-short-throw laser projector, which means you can set it just a few inches from the wall and still get a massive image up to 120 inches. If you don't want to deal with mounting a projector on the ceiling or running cables across your room, this is a game changer. Picture quality is excellent with 4K resolution, and color reproduction covers most of the DCI-P3 spectrum, which is what filmmakers use for cinema-grade color. Brightness comes in at 2200 ANSI lumens, which is enough for most living rooms, though it really shines in dimmer environments. What surprised me the most was the sound. The built-in 30-watt speakers are powerful enough that you can actually enjoy movies and shows without hooking up external speakers right away. On top of that, it comes with Samsung's Tizen OS, so it feels like using a smart TV. Streaming apps, Alexa and Bixby voice control, and even filmmaker mode to show movies exactly how the director intended. With a $20,000 laser lifespan, this projector is both modern and durable, making it a serious upgrade for anyone who wants a sleek, no-fuss home theater setup. At number 2, the BenQ TK710Ti. This one is a powerhouse, especially if you're into both movies and gaming. It delivers stunning 4K resolution with excellent sharpness, and the color accuracy is spot on, covering 95% of Reco 7 for natural, lifelike visuals. The laser light source gives it consistency and long-term reliability, while 3200 ANSI lumens of brightness make it versatile enough for both dark basements and moderately lit living rooms. Because it's a short-throw projector, you can get a 100-inch image from just about 5 feet away, which is perfect if you don't have a large room to work with. Where it really impresses is gaming. Input lag is as low as 4 milliseconds at lower HDP, which is almost unheard of for a projector. Combine that with HDR10 support and different preset modes for cinema and gaming, and you've got a projector that feels purpose-built for entertainment. It doesn't require frequent lamp replacements either, so once you set it up, it's a long-term solution for both family movie nights and next-level gaming sessions. And finally, at number 1, the Epson LS11000. This is the best home theater projector I've tested when it comes to combining performance, features, and long-term value. It uses Epson's 4K PRO-UHD technology with advanced pixel shifting, delivering an incredibly sharp image that looks closer to native 4K than most projectors in this price range. The colors are stunning thanks to its 3LCD technology, which ensures equal brightness for both whites and colors, a detail that makes a huge difference in real-world viewing. Dark scenes look phenomenal, especially with HDR content, since it supports HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG. The dynamic contrast ratio is extremely high, so blacks are deep, and highlights really stand out. For gamers, it supports 4K at 120 Hz with low input lag, so you can enjoy buttery smooth gameplay on a massive screen. On top of that, the laser light source lasts over 20,000 hours, meaning you'll probably never need to think about replacing it. Installation is easier than most high-end projectors too, with powered lens shift and focus, giving you flexibility in how you set it up. Even non-4K content looks amazing because of how well it upscales. For anyone who wants a projector that genuinely transforms their living room into a high-end theater, the LS11000 is the clear winner. So that wraps up my list of the top 5 home theater projectors. Hopefully this gave you a clearer idea of which projector fits your needs, whether you want something portable and budget-friendly or a full-on cinematic upgrade. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the projectors I mentioned. And until next time, enjoy your movie nights.